Good morning, all. I welcome you all for next class. So, in this class, we are going to see about insulators. So, we know that what is insulator? First, it is a device that prevents flow of electricity between a conductor and its support structures to preventing leakage and potential hazards. So for this, we are using insulators in a transmission line and that is overhead lines, especially for power devices. And next one, we have to see about the properties of insulators. So what is the properties we are using? That is, each insulators consist of high electrical resistance and high strength of dielectric and mechanical strength too. That is to withstand the various stresses. So the materials are non-porous and temperature stability and also flashover and the puncture voltage. So these are the properties we have to consider for the insulators made up. So the number of insulators are there. So we have to see the next slides. So insulator, it support already I mentioned, it is support the overhead lines conductor, the poles to prevent the current flow towards the earth. So normally we are using the insulators materials are porcelain, glass, polymer composite, and PVC. Also we are using. So commonly we are using porcelain materials. So next one is types of insulator. So types of insulator here I have listed a few type of insulators: pin type, suspension, stay insulator, shackle, and disc insulator. So one by one we have to see in the. So here I have to mention the type of insulators. There's the disc insulator, glass insulator, pin type, and post insulator. It is the suspension type, strain type, shackle type, and egg stray. And this one is the dent and transformer insulator. And this one is the railway insulator spool. And for the precipitator. So these are the type of insulator we are using in the overhead lines. So first one we have to see about pin type insulator. So pin type insulator, I have to show the diagram. So pin type insulator is used to support the insulate. So it is insulate overhead line conductors typically in a power distribution. And it is designed to mounted on a pin usually fixed to a cross arm or pole, and mainly it is used up to 33 kV. Actually the voltage capacity of the insulator is 11 kV. We have to use up to 33 kV, and which is designed with a high mechanical strength and vertical. We have to use this in the two connections. When is we have to use in vertical or as well as in the horizontal position also you have to use. Only thing, it is the pin type insulator is construction is simple and less maintenance. And also already I told you, you have to use one or that is they can be made in one, two, or three parts based on the voltages. In 11 kV system, typically one part of type insulator made from a single piece of shaped porcelain or glass. And this is the diagram how we are erected the pin type insulator in the towers. And here it is shows the power pin type insulator, and here I have see the diagram. So this is the pin type diagram, and the groove for the conductor is in the top, and it has some petticoats to protect from the rain and some damages. It is not affected the insulators. So you have to use the petticoats also. So here it shows the petticoats are in the diagram. And here is cross-sectional area I have to show here. And here it is the conductor. And here we have to use the cross-on pins. So centrally we are using the wires. And this is the rain shields. Here also it is mentioned the wire grooves are also there. And rain shields also they are mentioned in this diagram. So now we have to see the types of insulators. So simple, it is already I told you it is low cost, easy maintenance, effective for low, medium, and voltage, medium up voltage applications, and it has a good creepage distance, used in high voltage distribution sites, and also used in vertical and horizontal. Already I mentioned you have to use the inner type N-type insulator in both types. It is vertical and horizontal. And disadvantages are it is used to be with the used with stand with spindle, and it is only used in the distribution line and used limited up to 36 kV, and also we are used in the pin type. So these are the disadvantages of pin type insulator, and I think we are gather some points and discussed some points about a pin type insulator, and also what is insulator and what are the type we are using in the insulators. So pick up of this class. Anyone can say what is insulator? Yes, it is a device which prevent the flow of electricity between the conductor and supporting structure, and also it is prevent leakage and potential hazards. Very good. So properties are, yes, it is a high electrical resistance. It consists and dielectric strength and mechanical strength and non-porous temperature stability and flashover and puncture voltage. So what are the types of material we are using? Yes, of course, the porcelain, glass, polymer composites, and ceramic also we are using. Good. So we have to see in the next class about other insulator, other type of insulator. Thank you all.